us out. Pull the car over, and we gonna get out. We gonna start walking. Not in the median though. Not in the middle of the highway.
I want to put y'all there.
No, you gotta pull us out like on the sidewalk.
I'll put y'all where I want to put y'all there.
You know what? Damn it!
Now.
I'm about to get out the car. I was about to get out the car and start walking.
Walk right into Burger King.
I'm gonna walk right into Burger King.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, hope y'all doing okay. So we about to head to the grocery store to get some groceries, you guys, because our pantry is looking sick and the refrigerator is looking sick as well. No, get some water. I said get some water, now close it up. You ain't had water all day today. But y'all, somehow, you gonna make me hurt you. Somehow, some way, yesterday I broke my nail. And I try to go at least every 3 weeks to get my nails done, but now I'm gonna have to go get this fixed. Anyway, yeah, so we got to go grocery shopping because our pantry is on life support and our refrigerator has flatlined. Our refrigerator ain't never looked like this before, but we've been so busy we ain't had time to go grocery shop like we normally do. And normally it's on Sundays we try to set up for the week, but last Sunday we wasn't here last Sunday, so we didn't even do grocery shopping last Sunday. So we're gonna try to get some grocery shopping done today. Let me see what's in the pantry. Some of this bread need to be thrown out. Who's sunflower seeds?
Mine.
Here.
Open them and then open them, but
Don't be putting stuff back in here that's half open. If y'all ain't gonna eat them, then throw them away.
Terrence, open my stuff.
I don't like half open stuff in here. All this open water and stuff like that. What's that, Mel? Anyway, y'all look at our refrigerator. Our refrigerator looks sick. It looks sick. We ain't never been this long on grocery before. So we definitely gonna have to do a good old setup Sunday. So, oh, and just a quick update. That is my dining room. I am nowhere completely done with it. I just have my chargers down and some glasses right now, but it is coming together. And I put that panel up there, that curtain right there that you see right there. I put that up just to see if it'll go with everything. So I'm in the process of putting some curtains up there, but I'm not done. But I will give you guys a final tour of the dining room once I'm complete with that. So y'all stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, we're going to the grocery store. Baby, you ready? All right. All right, guys, so we are at Aldi and we are about to do some Sunday setup for the week. Oh, the sun got my face looking all red and chocolatey.
Shiny.
And what?
Shiny.
And shiny. Yeah. So we're at Aldi. And I don't know. A lot of people say they don't have an Aldi where they live. And then some people say they do. So we're at Aldi. And I always love coming in here because you can always find like special deals and everything is like really, really inexpensive. So the only thing I don't like is you got to buy your own buggy or rent your own buggy. But then I have to hunt for a quarter, especially if I don't have a quarter. Other than that, alright, so let's go shopping. You looking at it or you just... Byron, you want to use some of these? I know. Huh? This is some croissants. I want some croissants. $2.89. Look at this. $2.89. $2.89. All right. Kitchen sink cookies. Kitchen sink cookies. I mean, they got everything in it. My husband loves these. Peanut butter. It says it got peanut butter, cookies, white chocolate chunks, peanut butter chips, white chocolate chunks, pretzels, and coconut. They look so good.
Yeah, pumpkin pie.
Oh my God, they got pumpkin pie cookies? I wonder, are they soft?
Yeah, they're
Oh
soft.
my gosh. It got made, it say made with real pumpkins.
Apple cider.
Toffee, almond.
Yup.
I'm about to get these pumpkin pie though. Pumpkin pie cookies.
Yeah.
Everybody can eat.
That's me. I know. Get the chocolate chip kind.
Yeah, get a chocolate chip. Kitchen sink cookies. Kitchen sink cookies. I'll get it.
I don't get but one. Come on.
She going to get another one.
You being funny now. You being funny.
How?
Excuse me.
I'm just doing what I see other YouTubers do.
Is that what other YouTubers do?
Yeah.
Byron, you don't need no mushrooms? Huh? Oh, you don't want no more? Okay.
Next, boy.
Mom.
Put it back.
Huh? Oh, thank you. Come back. Where are you going? In the buggy. Huh? Look at this. Are you getting cheese? You want this monster cheese? I want to either get the monster or like a sharp cheese or something. You heard me?
Hey.
Y'all got bologna? You being silly. Hey. Do y'all have bologna?
We need some more.
Do y'all need some more?
Yeah.
All right. Bologna for the kids. Bologna.
We like turkey.
Hey, this right here, 380. This 382, Byron. 382. 382. This pork chop must be on sale, but you only get but 3 pieces with it though. You get 2 packs. Packs of pork chops. When did he get hamburger meat already? Get a thing of hamburger meat. And did you already get chicken already? I don't think he got chicken yet. 3. We already got hamburger meat. What about these? There's only 3 pieces in here. $3. Give it up for my camera guy. Give it up for my camera guy, because he is on it today. All right. So what else we got to get? You want to get some hot dogs? Hot dog? Here.
He said they got hot dogs.
You already got hot dogs? Well, if you're going to shop, then I don't need to be in here. I thought we was doing this together. Cause I don't know. I'm getting stuff and you getting stuff. Let's do it together.
World star.
Turn the camera on.
Why you just?
Terrence, why you didn't tell me that my wig was slipping?
I ain't know.
What, that sardines?
You just put something else in there.
What, that Miss Vienna sausages? How much them is? 42 cents?
You want Vienna sauce?
Why you want to get 2? Ain't never seen a 14-year-old boy like to eat tuna. You about to get the tuna fish? If you about to eat tuna fish, then get the sardines in the can. Which one you want? The one that's in the pack? Go ahead.
I don't know
Read the two. What's the difference between the two? Pick the blue one up and pick the red one up. What's the difference? Now let's read.
Read now.
Let's read what it say.
Read. This sweet and spicy. Lemon pepper.
All right, so that's the difference between the two. You answered your own question. So which one do you want out of the two? What's that in your head? Did you comb your hair today?
No.
You
I
just
woke up like this.
you woke up like this? So which one you getting?
I got roaches in my house.
Sweet and spicy. Okay. This is why I like to come grocery shopping by myself, because this is a bunch of junk, bunch of stuff that just don't make sense. Like ain't no complete meals in here. It's just a bunch of stuff. So he wanna do all the grocery shopping and let him pick out the stuff, then okay, I'm gonna go with it. Whenever we don't got no complete meals and stuff that don't make sense. Oh well, we gonna eat tuna and chicken nuggets.
Tuna and chicken nuggets.
Yep. So that's what y'all putting in the bucket. We're gonna eat some Vienna sausages with some vanilla wafers. All right, so we're gonna check out now.
And we need eggs too. Or that egg.
Give me 2 cans and a whole potato. Well, we got eggs, huh?
Yeah, I got see.
We got plenty bags of vegetables, right?
Yeah.
I got rice, so we got rice.
They don't got what? Fettuccine noodles? With the what?
Grilled chicken in the bag. Alfredo.
You can use spaghetti noodles, angel pasta here. You can do the rigatoni. They were on sale up at the front. I don't know if they got. You can use the penne noodles down here. And you can use the elbow macaroni noodles. You can use the rigatoni. You can use those, and then the sauce will go in through them. Or they got the shells right there. Let me see. Okay. They got them down there too.
Ooh, we gonna have that ragu sauce with it too.
They got the elbow, the bow tie, rotini.
Are we getting these?
Yeah. The bow ties.
Can
we make lasagna one night?
I'll walk you through it. We got it take a lot of cheese to make lasagna though.
Yeah.
What?
Comment down below if these are the real tacos. These are the like the off-brand kind, but they're the real ones.
But how can they be off-brand and the real ones at the same time?
Cause like the ones at the like Walmart and Dollar General, it's at Takis. These says taquitos.
Does it say Takis or does it say taquitos?
Taquitos. See,
So how do you figure that they're real Takis though?
taquitos.
But where does it say that at though? Takis.
Taquitos.
Is that bleach?
Yep. They bleached my shirt.
That's bleach too?
They bleached my shirt.
You look.
Beat down, huh?
Why y'all want to put the loose some of the loose, like the smaller, looser stuff in the box? What you saying? What you told Terrence? Let the men handle it and let him step back? So y'all just witnessed the most ratchet grocery shop with me ever. Most ratchet country ghetto shop with me ever. We got a bunch of stuff that just don't match. Leave it to my husband and them boys. That's what we got. So when we get home, I'm gonna show y'all what we got. I'm gonna haul it too. Let y'all see. This is real life. This is real life. You guys have witnessed real life stuff. I won't say my family is dysfunctional, but sometimes we act like we just dysfunctional. See what I mean? See what I mean?
Tell them how you too good to eat what everybody else eat.
I didn't say I was too good to eat what everybody else eat. I said I wasn't cooking this. That's what I said.
This is pretty good.
That's what I said. You said you was gonna cook.
Yummy.
You don't know about everybody else. That's what you said. What you said?
I said I'm cooking tacos. You said, well, that's what y'all gonna eat. Oh, well, yeah, that's what we gonna eat. I don't know what you.
I did not say, well, I don't know what the F you gonna eat. I didn't say that.
This slushy is delicious.
So Byron just asked the kids, did they want some pizza from Little Caesar? I said, yep, I want a pizza with cheese. He said, yeah, I ain't asked you. He said, he ain't asked me what I want. So because I'm grown, I got to fend for myself. Huh? Oh, you ain't gonna talk now. You act like you can't talk now. You had all that mouth just a minute ago when I stopped recording. But anyway, yeah, I wanna.
This slushy is delicious.
But yeah, when you go to Little Caesars,
You move that shit out the way so I can see out my review.
how you gonna see out a broke mirror?
Can you move that out the way so I can see out my mirror? Thank you.
I didn't get the logo.
I didn't either, but so you need to go to be walking.
What are you talking about?
You get it on.
He don't get nothing. He just doing that because Terrence was laughing at me. That's why. Any other time, TJ would have been on my side. Whatever. And who would have been walking? So what you talking about now?
Both of y'all finna be walking, keep laughing and running your mouth.
Oh, you gonna put us out?
I damn sure will.
Terrence. He said he gonna put us out the car. Put us out. Pull the car over, and we gonna get out. We gonna start walking. Not in the median though. Not in the middle of the
Where I
highway.
want to put y'all at.
No, you gotta put us out on the
I'll
sidewalk.
put y'all where I want to put y'all at.
You know what? Damn
Okay,
it.
now you now.
I'm about to get out the car. I was about to get out the car and start walking.
Walk right into Burger King.
I'm gonna walk right in the Burger King. All right, guys. So we made it back home, and I'm about to haul this stuff up real quick because we ready to put this stuff up, and my husband ready to start making his dinner. What you say you doing with this taco seasoning? Oh, okay. So we just got some sugar, y'all. When I say this about to be a quick haul, it's gonna be a quick haul. Anyway, so we got some sweet and spicy chunk like tuna. You turn that down just a little bit. We got 2 things of sweet and spicy chunk light tuna. Got some Roger Wood. If y'all from the South, y'all know about that Roger Wood. Comment down below. Roger Wood fan. We got some shells and cheese. We got some Vienna. How you say it? Because you said I said it wrong in the truck. What TJ said? Is it Vienna or Vienna?
TJ, come here.
We got some Vienna sausages, some whole potatoes. We got some sloppy J by kids' request. Some, how you say Vienna?
Vienna sausage.
What?
Vienna sausage.
Vienna sausage. That's how you say it? Oh, okay. Huh? Oh, okay. So it's Vienna. What he say? I said? Vienna? Oh, I said Vienna. I said Vienna, he said Vienna. However you say it. We got some of them. We got some Alfredo sauce, some sour cream, ketchup, some oil, cooking oil, preferably vegetable oil, of course. Some French onion dip, some House of Outre fish batter. We got some rigatoni noodles, pasta entree, angel hair with herbs. I never cooked that before. I guess that's something Byron gonna cook. You put that box in there. Some chicken patties, chicken nuggets, some Munster cheese, some rice, another box of shells and cheese, some sliced cheese, waffle fries, some off-brand cinnamon toast crunch, and we got some crispy honey oats, some Parmesan cheese pasta entree. Got the croissants, which y'all already saw, and we got the pumpkin pie cookies, and we got the oh shoot, and we got the kitchen sink cookies. If y'all haven't tried these, y'all got to go try them. And I'm about to try these in a minute as soon as I get done. And got the croissants, got some chips for the kids, got some bow tie noodles, some taco shells, Clorox wipes. Oh wait, we been had them. Why this up here? Never mind. Eggs, milk, bread, pork chops, oodles and noodles for the kids for after school snacks until I get home and cook. Taco seasonings and some cup noodles as well. What you was saying, man? I thought I heard you say something. Oh, okay. So yeah, so I'm about to try this. I want to try this pumpkin pie cookie real quick. You want to try one with me? All right. I'm about to sit y'all right here. Let me sit y'all right here. All right, so we're gonna try this pumpkin pie cookies made with real pumpkins and pecans. So I'm gonna try this. It looks so good. I love pumpkin, anything pumpkin. Pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie, pumpkin bread, anything pumpkin. I love. Ooh, and they're soft. Ooh. You wanna try one of these for real? They're good. You gotta try one. Just try a little piece right now. Yeah, just right now. Y'all, they so soft. They soft. Y'all want a bite? Have a bite. Open your mouth. Open mouth. It's good.
I don't want none right now.
Please.
I don't want no cookie.
But what you want to eat right now?
I'm about to eat my food once we put these groceries up.
Did we have to put the grocery out?
I was.
Did we have to put the grocery out?
Dang.
What you so antsy for?
I'm trying to watch my game, getting on my nerves.
I'ma pawn you.
Go ahead.
You gonna let me pawn you? Huh? That cookie was good, y'all. So, I'm gonna put up the grocery. And I'm going down into the pawn shop. Huh? Anyway, so I'm about to put up my little bit of grocery, y'all. And we're going to call it a night. And I'll see y'all whenever. I don't know. Peace. Tell them bye, babe. I can't never get him to act right. I'm gonna put the act right on his ass. That's what I'm gonna do. Bye, y'all.